Now that we have everything on the cart, I want to show you how to use it. So the first thing that we need to do is put our fluid inside the tank. Now that we've put fluid in the tank, we're going to make sure that our valve is in the off position, and then we're going to turn on the tank. You can hear it filling up with fluid. You can grab it, and when we're ready to spray, we're going to open up that valve. So I'm ready, turn it on, and I can begin my work. So it's completely optional whether or not you want to have the fan on or off. It just depends on your application. So I just wanted to show you guys what the fan is. You can just turn it on or leave it off. However you want to use it is fine. Now now that my work is done, I can come back here and turn the valve off to end the spraying. I can place it back on the hook. And then turn the tank off. Last but not least, we have some accessories to go over. So I'm just going to pull the handle out of the nozzles. We have some replacement gaskets for some of these connections. So let's go ahead and put the cone nozzle together. First thing, we'll attach the handle to the extension wand. And then at the end of the extension wand, we'll screw on the cone nozzle. If we want to install this accessory, I'm going to set this down. We can just easily, we want to make sure that this valve is turned off so that the fluid doesn't leak out of the hose from the tank. We'll unscrew it from the yellow piece, and this is where you'll attach the handle of the accessory. Now, the accessory handle doesn't need a power cord. So we would go ahead and remove the spray gun, unplug the power cord from the battery box, and we could operate with just the hose and the extension wand. So it's up to you if you want to use these accessories. Depending on your application, it may be more appropriate, but just wanted to show you that this is where it goes and this is how you attach it. While I have it here, I'm going to show you just spraying a little bit, but again, it's just completely optional. Make sure our valve is open there. Again, this is completely up to you if you want to use the accessories, but there you have it. All right, and so our last accessory is more a necessity. It's our battery charger. This is how it comes in the box. Comes with a couple of extra replacement fuses. I'll put those back in the box for now. The cable plugged into an outlet. We're going to make sure before we plug it in that the switch is showing a 110. The other option is if it was up, it would show 220. So we just want to make sure that it's set up for 110 because that's what this wall outlet is providing. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. You'll see here a red light and a green light. When it's plugged into a wall and it has power, this light will show, LED 2 will show green. So now that we brought our box over here, it's ready to be recharged. I'll take the charger plug, plug it in here. And like I said, as it's charging, the LED number 2 will be red. When it's fully charged, it'll be green again. But I'll unplug it just to show you again what it's like when it's on or off. So the other thing that needs to get recharged, and you'll use the same charger, is for the tank. So when the tank battery runs out, the charging port is located right above the power switch. So all I need to do is to make sure, again, that this is plugged into power, and that you see both of those lights of LED 1 is red, LED 2 is green. We'll plug it in here, and charging will begin. Thanks for watching this video about the Ion Defense Sprayer with SmartCart.